Imagine being the lead coder at Apple or Google, or developing the next AI-powered medical app to improve patient outcomes worldwide. Technology is evolving rapidly. Why not lead the way? This summer, gain the skills you need to succeed in the fast-paced world of technology and computer science. Interested in artificial intelligence? Summer Discovery will put you on a path to be at the forefront of technology that is revolutionizing industries. From AI systems that diagnose diseases faster than doctors, to self-driving cars that make transportation more efficient. Multiple campuses offer courses that will demystify the math behind machine learning, big data, and unlocking your understanding of algorithms. Summer Discovery programs in computer science and technology are available at Dartmouth, UC Berkeley, UCLA, Cornell, Yale, and more. You will learn the fundamentals of Python coding and how to use these skills to solve real-world problems at the University of Michigan, UT Austin, and more. UCLA's Makerspace can be your home for 3D design and printing, and at UC Berkeley, you can build actual robots to perform various functions. Programming courses teach students app development, website creation, and game design. Whether you're just getting started or have some experience coding, Summer Discovery offers science programs for all levels. If computer science and technology are in your future, Summer Discovery will accelerate your path, lifting you to reach your goals. We know the only way to truly learn is by doing. Get your start by learning from real-world accredited experts looking for opportunities to share their knowledge, passion, and expertise with you. Come to Summer Discovery prepared to be challenged, inspired, and empowered to achieve your future goals in the cutting-edge world of computer science and technology. Learn more today at summerdiscovery.com.